Happy birthday party time! The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Oh no, no, what a day! Grace fake chaos on the way. Kitty brings the birthday cake up past, but the table starts to shake. Happy birthday party time! High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Frosting flying through the sky. Kitty says, "Come back, please." Cake zooms past the party seats. Cake, 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 don't run away. Silly birthday cake today. Happy birthday party time. High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Everyone jumps with funny eyes. Monkey hides beneath the chair. Puppy runs around in scare. Pop, 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 balloons go boom. Crazy party in the room. Kitty opens giant gift. Suddenly the lid goes flip. Tall waving pony fills the air. Toys go bouncing everywhere. Funny dances on the floor. Dino crashes through the door. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Birthday madness every night. Kitty laughs, that's okay. Funny birthday save the day. Everyone dances side by side. Big smiles they cannot hide. Cake is fixed and candles glow. Best birthday ever, you know. Happy birthday party time. High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Paper plate us kitty fine.
Kitty dances come along.
Keep let's stay fun everywhere. Ding ding bell, school is near, but something spooky appears right rear. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker glare. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Oh no, try Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing and learn with Kitty Play. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing, what can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today, but something strange in a funny way. Dark Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked. Mood is wrong. Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Kid says wink, my food is here. Kitty shouts, oh yes, cheer. Big burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on.
boink, 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 boink. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, cock-a-doodle-dee. Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts.
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries.
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says,
Look so fine.
pick grass on, whole field clean. Sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls.
Yummy, yummy.
Farm is now an empty tummy. Ba ba ba.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees. Oh no, says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. The bubbles josh, crash, crash. Step up, pop up, up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Ricky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Oh no! Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, pop, pop. Jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Pop goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, pop, pop. Jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and slips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey. Bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Plastic bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 pop. Jump and play. It's so much fun. Morning fun goes dark and slow. No kakagoda in a row. Animals sleeping everywhere. Everyone who's not there. Oh no, 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 something's wrong. No rooster morning song. Meep, meep, meep. Farm is quiet, no alarm yet. No rooster voice to wake the farm yet. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cockadoodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, meep, meep. Rooster tries but no sound comes in. Beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. No cockadoodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how. She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, let's try, try, try. No cockadoodle, nothing bare. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he had feed. She laughs, oh I see the case. Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, don't feel bad. Oh, 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 mystery found. Voice is hiding underground. Kitty brings a magic tea. Drink this slowly, trust in me. Rooster drinks, gluck, gluck, gluck. Then suddenly, Huga hug. Yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle-doo. Morning sound is on the track. Animals wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meep, meep, meep. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light, 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 light,
Feels so down.
light. Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meep, meep, meep. Farm forgot how mornings go. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Slap beak opens. He shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only ball around. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Mr. 7, Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am,
Oh, no.
peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Melba does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Mr. 10, Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 10 jungle drums. Tango boom, 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 boom. Toot and teet and boom. Hide and seek none. Fun to do. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Cat count 1 to 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 1 little trick. 1 jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near through tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Slam and gone to you. Hiding near through buzzing green. Hide on wall or show out. Mr. 4, where are you?
Wow.
Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 4 funny stars. Hide face from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 6 silly sticks. Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 balloons. And sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. 7 sings funny tunes.
Oh, no.
Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and 38, the throat spin. Bang, does silly shakes.